It's so good and well, let's stand together and spread love. Awareness for the wellness, consent, all to understand. Equity for prosperity.
India's first music album that sensitizes kids and creates awareness on growing up.
So music is something which connects the souls, which connects the mind. All the songs that we have made are based on the basic fundamentals of life, and you know, it's also focused on the elements of life called water, earth and everything.
So this album has fun songs. They are extremely groovy and the songs are catchy, and we are hoping that as they appreciate the music, they'll also learn to appreciate the value and the message that it comes with.
The Birds and Bees program, now in its third year, is a comprehensive growing up, life skills education curriculum to help adolescents in the Northeast between 10 and 19 years of age grow into healthy, responsible adults empowered to make the right choices about their health and relationships with essential knowledge, attitude and values.
The company Reckitt is doing a fine job in Manipur as well as the entire Northeast, and I congratulate them, and they have done an excellent job of sensitizing the children, particularly the adolescents.
This is one of the programs which is all focusing on the growing up, and basic concepts like consent, equality, equity, issues of growing up, mutual inclusion. All these topics are very important because world is changing, India is also changing, and I'm very sure with the support from the education department, our teachers, our feet on the ground, they will be doing some amazing work.
Interesting part of this initiative is that we are seeking to reach out to 2 million children to help them understand life skills, know about sexual reproductive health and rights, and also in the process lead healthier, happier lives.